November 19, 1959. Edsel's epic failure. Ford Motor Company announced it was halting production of the Edsel, a car that has since become synonymous with failure. The Edsel was first introduced on September 4, 1957, with high expectations. Named after Edsel Ford, the son of Henry Ford, the vehicle was intended to fill a market gap between Ford's standard and luxury lines. The company invested over $250 million into the design, manufacturing, and marketing of the Edsel, hailing it as the future of automobiles. The car's launch was accompanied by an enormous advertising campaign, promising revolutionary features and a unique driving experience. However, the Edsel quickly fell short of expectations. Its styling, including the distinctive vertical horse-collar grille, was widely criticized as unattractive and awkward. Many consumers were put off by its design, finding it too unconventional for the era. Furthermore, the timing of the release could not have been worse. The late 1950s economic recession suppressed demand for medium-priced cars, and many potential buyers opted for less expensive or more established models. Adding to its troubles, the Edsel was plagued with quality control issues. Reports of mechanical failures, misaligned parts, and faulty electronics eroded consumer confidence. Ford produced several models under the Edsel name, including the Ranger, Pacer, Corsair, and Citation, but none managed to achieve strong sales. Between 1958 and 1960, only 118,287 units were sold, a stark contrast to the millions Ford had anticipated. By November 1959, Ford had lost over $350 million on the Edsel project, equivalent to several billion dollars in today's terms. The decision to discontinue the line was announced just 2 years after its launch. The last Edsel rolled off the assembly line in 1960, quietly ending one of the most notable failures in automotive history. The Edsel's failure was a turning point for Ford and the industry as a whole. It highlighted the risks of misreading consumer preferences, overhyping products, and ignoring market trends. Today, the Edsel is remembered as a cautionary tale in branding and marketing, but it has also gained a cult following among collectors. Its legacy lives on as a reminder that even industry giants like Ford are not immune to mistakes. For enthusiasts of historical ephemera, visit history-collectors.com to find collectibles that might complement your collection. You can own a piece of history.